Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at Firefly. Firefly, a brand new EV company, a brand new EV brand that is brought to us by Nio. The Chinese company Nio have been unveiling lots of recent new brands, such as Onvo a few months ago, and now it's Firefly. What we have here is our first images of the Firefly vehicle. I must say, does it exceed my expectations? Yes, it does. And it's exceeded my expectations by a lot. I am amazed. I am simply amazed. I am astonishing. I am very happy with the results. I'm very happy with how these vehicles look. I'm very happy with the logo. And for the first time, I can say the name Firefly, I'm okay with it. Okay? I'm not completely happy with it, but I'm okay with it. We do have some other images also. So basically, today, the 21st of December, it is Neo Day 2024. The Firefly brand was officially launched with the global debut of its first product, sharing the same name Firefly, a small, smart, electric, high-end targeting urban lifestyle users and open pre-orders in China, with pre-sales at 148,000 RMB. Now, just out of curiosity, how much is that in pounds? Okay, so that's 16,000 pounds. That is quite a bargain. That is a good price. Let's check out the other images. You can see there's already cameras of this vehicle on the sides. I must say, I love it. I absolutely love it. I don't know about you, but I love it. I love it already. I want one. I want one. It is going to be some time before I can afford a Neo vehicle, like an ET7. It's going to be some time. It's going to be some time. And it's going to be some time before I even can afford a Envo. In the meantime, I want one of these. In the meantime, I want one of these because I'm a Neo investor. I really believe in this company. I really believe in what they're doing. I believe that this company will be incredibly profitable long term. I really love what they're doing with their technology. They're bringing the Neo technology into new brands such as Onvo, such as Firefly. I really love this. I really, really love this. This car is cute. It looks spacious. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. At first impression, I am blown away. I'm more than happy with it. I love the light units. I love the light units on the back and I love them on the front as well. Goes with that same pattern. I love the logo. I love the unique look of the front of the vehicle. That's really catchy. You know, it really looks like something that's going to be really competitive with the likes of smart cars, with the likes of the mini vehicles. This thing will be very competitive. I can say that with confidence, and it's purely electric. Oh my goodness. Now, I don't know if these things will have swappable batteries, but if they do have swappable batteries, that's going to make it even more incredible. That's going to help it to become a more attractive vehicles for buyers such as myself. So there are a few videos of this vehicle. These are the videos. I found them on a Twitter account, so it's a good thing I follow this Twitter account. They follow me also, Neo Switzerland. It's a good thing I follow their account because they're the ones who are posting these images, these videos, and it's fantastic. It's got space in the back for a family day out, a picnic, camping, etc. It's got space in the front as well. Oh my goodness, I am telling you. This is it. This is it. Neo, you've exceeded my expectations. Oh my goodness, I'm ready to buy more shares. Now we are a three brand company, not just Neo Cars, not just Onvo, but Firefly also. I keep on saying Firefly. It's Firefly. Okay? Three brand company. Three brand company. And what I heard is that these vehicles are coming to Europe late next year, late 2025. They're available for pre-orders in China. Oh my goodness, the floodgates, the pre-orders for this thing is going to go through the roof. I'm so excited. These are some additional images of this vehicle. This is what the front looks like. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. So apparently you can just throw water in there and put a fish in there or something like that. Oh my goodness, they're really going all out. They're really going out. They're like the future is here. They're not waiting. Chinese companies are not waiting for the future to catch up with them. They've made the decision that they're going to lead the future and they're doing that. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. I cannot be the only one who thinks this is incredibly exciting. I'm looking forward to this so much. So, a lot of things have been happening for the Neo ET Day. A lot of things have been happening for the Neo Day. The only thing that didn't happen was a live stream. You know, I wasn't aware of any live stream for the Nio Day. That would have been exciting. But this is the Nio vehicles, ladies and gents. This is the ET9 officially revealed. This is the final product. And oh my goodness, this thing looks incredible. Crisp, finished, completed, ready, immaculate. Oh my goodness, it looks attractive. It looks really, 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 really good. By the way, if you're curious, this is the Maybach. I think that's the Maybach. Yeah, the Mercedes Maybach versus the ET9. So when I tell you, the ET9 is here to target not just Audi, BMW, but also Mercedes, I wasn't joking. I really wasn't joking. So they're showcasing just how stable this car is. And based on the test images, it looks incredibly stable. This is a killer. In case you're wondering what that looks like, this is what that looks like. You know, this is insane. This is insane. They're not waiting. They're just saying we're gonna lead the way in electrification in automobile, and that decision has already been made for the world by China. Congratulations. This is officially the Nio group. We've got Nio, we've got Unvo, we've got Firefly. Oh my goodness, this is an exciting time. If you've been following this brand for some time, you will be very proud, just as I am proud. We've been patient. I've told people to be patient. You can't just expect this company to do incredibly well in the next 5 years or 2 years. You can't expect them to do, you know, they don't have the head start like Tesla did. But the things they're doing right now, the new brands that they're unveiling, all of these things will benefit them long term. It's going to pay compound interest, compound dividends, compound interest. These are some more images of the vehicles in few different colors. You got lilac, light purple. That's really nice. You've got a light green as well. Yeah. What an incredible choice of vehicles. We also have some other low res images of these vehicles. This is what they look like. Oh my goodness. This is I'm very happy with this. I am very happy with this. I want to know, what do you think? Yeah, I want to know, what do you think about these vehicles? Under the light, it looks a little bit like a prototype, like it's unfinished. But you know, once it comes out, it's like, okay, that's ready. So here's a quick video, Firefly, by Chris Thomason, Vice President of Design of Nio and Firefly. Let's check out what he has to say.
Our design journey started with something simple yet iconic: a Firefly. It's small, electric, buzzing with energy, and totally mesmerizing. It became the foundation of our design DNA: vivid, thoughtful, and solid. Vivid means our products trigger positive emotions and create a lasting impression. The first thing we did was the light signature. We call this design the Trio Light, just like the glow that makes a Firefly so special, that you'll find on the front and rear. Why 3? Because all good things come in threes. It's the magic number that fits perfectly to our Firefly. We then extended our circles to ovals, a pure and balanced form repeated throughout the car, reinforcing our strong design language. Our Firefly is also thoughtful, with logic and purpose, like the lower parts of the car, which are made from a sustainable material. Our silhouette is striking yet efficient, thanks to short overhangs, an aerodynamic roofline, and what we call the dynamic hoop. This agile element gives the car a directional attitude, even when standing still. But it's not just about agility. Our product is solid, conveying trust and confidence. The stance and proportions give it a street presence, unique and captivating. We're really proud to say we've created a small, smart, premium, and special EV that punches above its class and embodies the spirit of a Firefly.
Sold, sold, sold. Seriously. These are some other images of the cars on stage when it was being announced. I am so astonished. You know, I think there's definitely two major things they were talking about. Was the official reveal and unveil of the ET9. I think pre-orders are already out. I believe these things are close to being delivered. The sales have already begun. And now for Firefly vehicles, the first model, it's in pre-order, so it's up for pre-order at the moment, and we're expecting early deliveries to start next year, 2025. That's going to be very, 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 very exciting, ladies and gents. Cannot wait for that time to come. Let me know what you think about this. Now, we got an official article from the EV blog from Cardio Alfonso. So, thanks to Alfonso for writing us a quick article. Let's check it out. Nio launches new brand Firefly, open pre sales for $20,000 400 compact EV. Basically, what I can see is that Nio has made the perfect electric EV, but affordable. Coupe, a hatchback, the perfect hatchback electric car. My goodness. You look at this thing, you cannot tell me that that is not perfection. For what the market desires today, an affordable electric vehicle that has infrastructure capable enough to get you for a good few hundred miles. So after 2.5 years of preparation, Nio founder and CEO William Li officially launched on Saturday the group's third brand, Firefly. At Nio Day 2024, the company's annual event, Firefly unveiled a fully electric hatchback with pre-sales starting immediately, with pre-orders at 148,800 wons, equivalent to $20,400. Reservation for the compact model can be made at the brand's app. Deliveries start in China in April 2025, while Europe will follow later in the year. Wow. Just those few paragraphs alone, it is refreshing. It is completely refreshing. Nio will focus on high-end small car segment, competing with BMW Mini and Mercedes-Benz Smart brand. So William Li said in a recent media briefing repeated on Saturday, and I quote, Firefly leverages Nio decade-long experience in premium and aims to exceed expectation in design, safety, space, intelligence, and energy efficiency. End quote, the company said in a statement. The EV maker says inspiration for the third brand came from the Fireflies, citing small, agile, and buzzing with energy, symbolizing freedom to move and be different. The logo, which was unveiled early this week, represents a flying and glowing firefly, illustrating the brand's spirit, freedom to glow. Firefly is set to debut in China in the first half of next year, followed by European expansion. According to Nio president Daniel Jin, on Friday, a Nio spokesperson told EV that a report by Automotive News Europe claiming the launch of Nio's first sub-brand Envoy in the UK market in early 2025 is false. That's false. Okay, so when are we getting these vehicles in the UK? That's the real question. Unlike Nio's sub-brand Envoy, which plans to offer a total of 3 models from the last quarter of next year, Firefly will focus on a single performance-oriented product according to a recent report from the media outlet ITH. So that's interesting. Firefly will just focus on just one vehicle, and this is that one vehicle. They could just call it the Firefly 1. I don't know what the official name is, but they could just literally just call it the Firefly 1. It fits so perfectly, it's almost too good to be true. So I just want to know, am I the only one who's blown away? Dubbed a small, smart, high-end electric car, it is positioned as a rival to BYD Dolphin and Renault 5. It's positioned against a lot of other cars, if I'm being completely honest, in this segment. Imagine the electric Polos, the Volkswagen Polos, electric Golf, Electric Golf is probably a little bit bigger, but you get my point. Can you imagine that? This car for £16,000. Nio Budget EV Firefly launches with £16,000 hatch that is bound for Europe. So imagine eventually when this thing comes out in Europe and the UK, this thing being so competitive in pricing. It's going to put a lot of brands under pressure. Pressure will be on. This is the starting price. It's not like it started at £20,000 or 20,000 euros, and they're going to gradually bring that down to compete with other brands. No. It's starting at £16,000, which is probably similar amount in Europe, probably 17,000 Europe, probably 17,000 euros. So it's going to be incredibly competitive. So I'm looking forward to that. I want to get some more information on this vehicle, but at the moment, information seems to be limited. Because what I'm trying to get an idea of is like, what about the mileage? You know, does it use the Neo infrastructure? Can the batteries be swapped? Batteries being swapped seems like an obvious choice. If this car doesn't have that infrastructure and technology within it, it would seem like a little bit of a letdown. So I'm guessing it does have that. But I'm curious to find out what the range will be like on the standard models, you know? Because it will need to be competitive. And so far, Neo vehicles have definitely been competitive. You cannot say that. There is no doubt around that. That is for sure. But I was hoping to get some more technical details, you know, about this thing. But so far, there's not much detail about this vehicle. But also, just before we end the vehicle, it's important to add not a lot of major, you know, outlets are reporting about this. And it's not because they're not taking it serious, you know, they are taking it very serious because they've reported about Neo vehicles before, you know, but so far, not a lot of major, you know, blog media outlets are reporting about this. So it's very interesting how that's happened. And everyone knew this vehicle was being unveiled today. It's been a big damn deal. So it's interesting to see how that works. But it's all in their best of interest to report on these vehicles as soon as possible. Oh my goodness, that looks incredible. But that's just a render. That's not the official vehicle. When was that released? A couple of days ago. So that was just a render. It was an idea of what the vehicle was going to be. And it's pretty darn close. It is pretty darn close. But after seeing these images for months, now we know what the vehicle officially looks like. Now we know. And I've got to say, the disguise was pretty darn good. It was a pretty damn good disguise. But we finally got the information we've been waiting on. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you in our next video. Subscribe to join the community. Peace.